friends, today we are going to be learning about one of my favorite math topics ever, and it is fractions. I love learning about fractions and I love teaching fractions and I just love everything about fractions. So today we're going to just be talking about how to identify fractions, how to make fractions, how to just understand what fractions even means. So fractions are a part of a whole. So if I was to have a whole, my whole is one whole. And a fraction is just a tiny piece or a part of that whole. So today we're going to talk about how we find fractions that are shaded, some that are not shaded, and a few other things. So if I was to have a fraction, can I have a fraction that looks like this? Can I shade this in? Yes or no? No. Do you know why this is not a fraction? Yeah, because they're not equal. The parts or the pieces are all different sizes. We can't do that. Fractions have to be equal sizes. So I know that that cannot be a fraction. That is not equal parts. Those are not equal parts. So now I'm going to show you. Are those equal parts? And my drawing is a little not perfect, sorry, I'm working on it, okay? So are these equal parts? Yeah. So if I was to shade one out of the three parts, what would I get? What would my fraction be? Yes, it would be 1/3. My 1 stands for my numerator, and which is how many pieces are shaded, how many parts, right? And my 3 stands for my denominator. That tells me how many parts there are that make up one whole. So I see that 1 out of the 1, 2, 3 are shaded, so that tells me this fraction is 1/3. All right, now I want you to try one. I have an awesome little circle here, and I'm going to shade this circle, and I want you to tell me what the fraction is, okay? Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. All right, are you ready? Is your thinking brain on? Okay. What is this fraction? What is this fraction? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to think. Can you tell me what this fraction is? Yes, it's 2/4. There was 2 parts of the whole, and the whole had how many parts? Yeah, 4. I know that there's 2 parts out of the whole that are shaded, so this fraction would be 2/4. Awesome work. Pat yourself on the back.